bit about photography, shooting by the lake, but mainly it's just for you guys to really enjoy the scenery. I'm looking for are light puddles, and I've referred to these before. Hey, we're in Big Bear. A couple years ago, we did Palm Springs and then Lake Arrowhead. This year, we're doing just Big Bear. We stopped by Lake Arrowhead on the way up. You guys saw some of that drone footage. The point of this video is really to just talk a little bit about photography, shooting by the lake. I'll be hopefully flying the drone and shooting a little bit by Boulder Lake, if not somewhere else later in Big Bear. But mainly it's just for you guys to really enjoy the scenery. Colder up here, which is nice, but it's nice to see drone footage and just a bunch of different video around Lake Arrowhead, Big Bear. If you've never been, it'll give you an idea of what it looks like. And if you have, maybe it'll make you want to come back. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll talk soon. made it to Boulder Lake. This is a pretty common spot around the summertime. They rent kayaks and stuff just literally down the street, and then you can put up in the water here, go through a little opening, and then on to the big lake. If you guys haven't already seen my camping in Big Bear video, I do give out recommendations on where to eat and just kind of check out while you're in the village. I'm not going to do that for this video, but if you want to see that, I'll link it in the description down below and at the end of this video. I am parked up in the parking lot for Cougar Crest. I did this one January of this year with the young up to Bertha Peak. Also a video I'll leave in the description if you guys want to check that out. Waiting for the sun to get a little less harsh here, and then we're gonna fly the drone from the east side to get a different view today, and I'll talk a little bit about photography based on the fact that there are no clouds. I am gonna be using the telephoto lens, so that's always something I recommend when predicting that the sunset's not gonna be that great. That's it for this video. As predicted, sunset is nice, but it's nothing that as a photographer I'm like, gotta capture that. So I took a couple shots here and then I flew the drone. Now in terms of photography, in situations like this, as I mentioned, I bust out the telephoto lens. What I'm looking for are light puddles, and I've referred to these before, which is pieces of the mountain. I don't know if you can kind of see back there. There's pieces of Big Bear that get lit up, and I really want to focus on that. So I'm going to show as little sky as possible and focus on that. I focused in on a couple houses that were lit up. I focused in on partial snow that's there, and go home, edit them, see how I like them. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed the Thanksgiving video. A lot of drone footage, really happy with it. And I'll see you guys next week.